disable bootp server. What is exactly bootp server? Anybody? So anytime if when you booking in a reservation for a train, that reservation, all client machines are using the bootp server. This bootp service helps to start images and connect to the other servers. A switch also can be act as a bootp server to distribute images to other Cisco devices. If you enable this bootp server in Cisco devices or in switches, gives an unauthorized access to images, because the bootp server is enabled. Anybody who is connected to a switch, they can access to that. If not required, disable service. That's what. If you are not insisting such kind of services in your organization, if you are not in a reservation, or if you are not using a thin clients means it doesn't have any kind of storage at your client, and everything, whatever you are accessing, that would be stored in the server itself. So that if you are not required such kind of services, you need to disable. So simple command, no IP bootp server. No IP bootp server, and control Z where it's saves and adjust. So then finger service. What is that finger service? Finger is a command which tells about who are the logged into that particular servers. In my olden days in early 2000s, while I'm using Linux server, I used to, like an email server, I used to use this command, who are logged at the time. So this is what finger service is required. So if such kind of things are not required, because if somebody is hacked your system, your switch, you can know that who are the users are that present connect, so that he can do harm. That's what you need to disable the service. So the command is no IP finger, no service finger. So that finger service is disabled based on the IP. That's what no IP finger, and that service should be disabled, no service finger. Control Z and come out. So then configuration auto load. So switch can obtain its configuration from network using different ways. See, we all discussed about ARP, but there is a RARP, reverse address resolution protocol. And some of the services which are using for loading configuration file, updating the switches, we may be using RARP or TFTP, which reverse trivial file transfer protocol, TFTP, because you have to download a file from the system. From system to connect back your switch or router, you need to use trivial FTP. And the configuration information passes in clear text during the transmission. So if you are loading auto load, that auto load would be done only clear transmission, so that the transmission can be seen if somebody is collecting the packets, this communication from your system to there, so that they can know what kind of software you are uploading, versions and all, where they can look about some vulnerabilities. Based on vulnerabilities, they can use some exploits and attack. So what command we for disabling no service config and no boot host? The boot is it considers your configuration file and automatically boot that particular host. Anybody is having any doubt? Shall I start audio of others to speak with me? Of course, no service can be command will gives that service won't be start again until you give it to that. No boot host. So anything? PAD service. PAD is nothing but packet assembler, packet disassembler. You know that assembler and disassemblers generally is required to enable X.25 connection between systems if you are using X.25 networks. But in India, we don't use X.25 networks unless not required. So disable the service with below command. The command is simple as no service pad, no control jack, and come out. ARP, proxy ARP, answers ARP request for the addresses that is not in the network. I request the host to give the connectivity me for explaining the ARP, this proxy ARP.